Keep a very intensified awareness on each of the 7 chakras. From the 7 chakras at one go, take your awareness to check if your eyes are still softly closed, if your breath has slowed down, not by force, but by the intelligence we used for the chakra meditation just now. At the root chakra, check, because here the body decides, am I safe? We often feel unsafe, and the root chakra brings back safety. With every slow inhale, stability has returned today. With every long exhale, fear drains out. Now lift the awareness to the sacral chakra below the navel, because this is where joy, creativity, and emotional flow live. As the breath softens, the stiffness, something that's very dangerous, melts away. Life begins to feel fluid again. And then we come back to the solar plexus once again, the fire center. The I can attitude of strength comes from here. With every steady breath, we reclaim the power and we let go of tension. And now the heart chakra, where you feel your chest widen. Not to give, this is to receive our own love from our own divinity without expecting it from anyone else. And we shift now to throat chakra, the center of truth. As the breath becomes even smoother, your inner voice becomes even clearer. No more suppression, only expression. No more holding back. And the third eye, between the eyebrows, the space of intuition. How beautifully the mind effortlessly quietens with each slow breath, replacing clarity from the confusion, replacing confusion to begin clarity. And finally, the crown chakra on top of the head. Wow. Here we are trying to heal mind and body, to become Abhay, to remove fears of Janma Jara Mrityu. We are allowing our own intelligence to heal us. And we are going to come out very soon now from this stillness. But we're going to continue breathing slowly. And we will watch that magic today of what we did in just these few minutes, feeling aligned, rooted below, and open above. And know this, when your breath becomes slow and calm, every chakra remembers how to function in harmony together again. Awesome. Feel extremely proud of yourselves to have invested these few minutes on this power dose. Each one of us had so many commitments just now, but we chose to heal ourselves, to wear our oxygen masks, to fasten our seat belts, so that we are ready to serve others around us. As you open your eyes, you're still going to continue feeling that connect. You will. Nothing will change what you did, what you invested in this morning. So let's do it. We open our eyes, but we are connected. We open our eyes and we are within. With a hug, a self hug, a happy one, not a shy one. Big hug. Let's move on till we meet again tomorrow. Love you. Bye.